Out of all the different ways to make money online using ChatGPT, this might be the easiest method to start with. It does not require building a website, working as a freelancer, or even spending a single penny. All you need to do is head off to Quora.com and start answering questions using ChatGPT. And just that way, you'll earn commissions on autopilot. I'll explain the entire process to you step by step, so make sure to watch until the end. But please remember that every online business requires time and effort to start seeing results. With that being said, let's jump right into the video. As you know, recently, many ways have been revealed to make money with ChatGPT, like providing various freelance services, for example. However, many people didn't like the idea for different reasons. One of them was a claim that the freelance marketplace is too competitive and it's not easy to find clients. Even though I don't 100% agree with that, I decided to share this new method, which is entirely different from what you've heard before. The method requires 3 different websites. The first is Quora.com, which is the biggest question and answer social website. It gives you answers about any topic, and it also allows you to answer others' questions. And this is what we're going to do. The second website we need is ClickBank. If you don't know, ClickBank is one of the biggest affiliate marketplaces online, with thousands of affiliate offers in different niches you can promote. But if ClickBank is not available in your country, you can use an alternative website like Digistore24. And the last website you need is, of course, the one and only ChatGPT. With the help of those 3 websites combined, you can start making passive income. Now, let me show you how this method works in detail. So the first step you need to do is head off to Quora.com and create your free account. As you can see, it's very simple. You can sign up with your email or Facebook. Once you're logged in, this is how your dashboard will look like. As you can see, here you can access your profile settings. And if you click here, you can change or add a new language. But all of that is not really necessary because this search bar up here is what we need. So our main goal on Quora is to find problems we can solve using ChatGPT and ClickBank. The chatbot will give us detailed answers, and ClickBank will provide us with products we can promote to get commissions. Now, there are many problems you can start solving to make profits, but I suggest that you focus on 3 categories. Number 1, health. Number 2, wealth. And number 3, relationships. These 3 categories are the best if you're looking for quick results. But of course, there's still a lot of other topics out there that you can try. For example, you can pick weight loss or stress relief, which means you're in the health category. Or how to make money online, which will be in the wealth category, and so on. For this video, let's use weight loss. So we can start by typing weight loss here in the search. And as you can see here, you will get endless results. All these questions are related to the topic we've chosen. And here on the left-hand side, we have some filters. I want you to set the type to questions. And here, always set the time to the past hour or past day. By applying these filters, you won't have as many competitors as if you're trying to answer questions that have been posted a while ago. As you can see, now we have all recently posted questions about weight loss. I'm going to choose this one to start with, which says, does the time you eat matter for weight loss? Now, all you need to do is copy the question and go to ChatGPT to start a conversation. And to get high-quality answers, I always ask the chatbot to split the answer into different sections and summarize it with bullet points at the end. That way, you can stand out with your answers. Okay, once your answer is generated, you can copy it and get back to Quora. Here, click on Answer and paste the text generated from ChatGPT. And just to make it easier to read and look better, you can bold the main words or add spaces between the paragraphs. Once you finish, don't post it immediately because we still have one more important step, which is finding a product to promote. All you need to do is head to clickbank.com and create a free account. Once you're in, you'll see all the different offers you can promote. And here, you will have the product categories on the left-hand side. What we need to do now is find a product related to the question we're answering. So in my case, I will search for weight loss. After that, all related products will appear, as you can see. Do your research, pick your favorite offer, and generate your affiliate link. I've decided to choose this one. the smoothie diet. After that, we get back to Quora, and all we need to do now is add the affiliate link to the answer. And there are many ways to do that, but I'll show you my favorite. For example, you can add a new section to your answer by typing personal recommendation, then paste the product name you're promoting. Once you've done that, you can simply add the link to the product name. As you can see, this looks much cleaner than pasting the link as it is. I suggest you add the link multiple times in the answer, not just at the end. Just please make sure to find the right spot to mention your product, so you don't look like spam. Finally, click on Post. Now, when people read your answer and click on the affiliate link to buy, you'll receive a commission. The best part is that you only have to do this once, and your answer will stay forever, which means you will make passive income without any additional work. The key to success in this method is to answer as many questions as possible daily. Also, try to be one of the first people who answer the questions using the time filter, as I've explained in the video. Here's a quick recap of everything you need to do. Step number 1. Create your free account on Quora.com and choose a niche to start with. Step number 2. Search for questions related to your topic. Step number 3. Generate the answers using ChatGPT. Step number 4. Sign up for ClickBank and choose a product related to your answer. Step number 5. Include the affiliate link in your answer twice maximum. Step number 6. Post the answer and repeat the process at least 20 times daily. That was it for today's video. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Also, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, as this motivates me to produce more videos. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.